we'll guide you through how to create 3D chrome text effect in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure Adobe Photoshop is fully open and create a new blank document with a pure white background. Press the T key on your keyboard to quickly activate the horizontal type tool. In the options bar at the top of the screen, choose a very thick, heavy font to maximize the chrome effect. Click in the center of the canvas and type your desired word. Next, press Ctrl+A on Windows or Cmd+A on Mac to select the entire canvas. Then switch to the Move tool by pressing V and perfectly center your text both horizontally and vertically. Navigate to the Layers panel at the bottom right. Then carefully double-click the empty gray space beside your text layer name to open the Layer Style window. In the left column, enable Color Overlay and click directly on its name to access the settings. Click the color swatch. Enter hex code number 9A9A9A for a medium gray. Keep blend mode on normal. Set opacity to 100% and confirm. Next, enable Bevel and Emboss and open its settings. Set Style to Pillow Emboss and Technique to Smooth to build the chrome foundation. Increase Depth to 500%. Set Direction to Up and keep Soften at 0 pixels. Gradually raise the size slider until the bevel fills the center of your letters, usually between 30 and 50 pixels. In the shading section, disable Use Global Light. Then set the angle to 120 degrees and altitude to 30 degrees. For gloss contour, choose the Ring Double preset and enable anti-aliased for smoother reflective transitions. Set highlight mode to screen with pure white at 100% opacity and shadow mode to multiply with pure black at 100% opacity. Your text should now resemble polished metal. Next, enable satin and configure it with multiply mode, black color, 35% opacity, 90-degree angle, 30 pixel distance, and 30 pixel size. Choose the Ring Double Contour preset to create wavy internal reflections. Then, select the contour option under Bevel and Emboss, set it to Ring Double, and keep range at 100% for stronger metallic shaping. Finally, enable Drop Shadow, set blend mode to multiply, color to black, opacity to 75%, angle to 90 degrees, distance to 20 pixels, spread to 0, and size to 35 pixels. Click OK to finalize your professional 3D chrome text effect.